Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC for GTA 5 on Epic Games. Many players prefer using a controller for a more immersive experience, and it is simpler than you might think. We will cover all the necessary steps, from physical connection to in-game setup, ensuring you are ready to play quickly and efficiently. Before we begin, let us gather everything you will need for a smooth setup. First, grab your reliable PS4 DualShock 4 controller. You will also need either a compatible micro USB cable for a wired connection or a Bluetooth adapter if your personal computer does not have built-in Bluetooth. Having these items ready ensures a straightforward process. There are two main ways to connect your controller. For a wired setup, simply plug one end of your micro USB cable into the controller and the other into an available USB port on your personal computer. For wireless, hold the PS button and share button simultaneously until the light bar flashes, then pair it via your computer's Bluetooth settings, usually labeled as wireless controller. While a basic connection might work for some games, Grand Theft Auto 5 often benefits from a utility called DS4 Windows. This program helps your computer recognize the PS4 controller as an Xbox controller, which is widely supported. After downloading and installing it, DS4 Windows should detect your controller. Then, you can easily create a game profile to optimize settings specifically for Grand Theft Auto 5 on Epic Games. Now that everything is connected and configured, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 from your Epic Games library. The game should automatically recognize your controller. If not, check the game settings for controller input options. If you encounter any problems, try restarting DS4 Windows, unplugging and replugging your controller, or even restarting your personal computer. Many minor glitches resolve with a simple refresh, letting you enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.